There are different types of glue are available in the market for Legos. To get right one, dive into this video. Number 1. Most popular. Gorilla 7700104 Super Glue Gel. Gorilla Glue is an easy-to-use adhesive designed with a controlled formula for use on multiple surfaces. It is thicker and suitable for vertical applications as well. It has been specifically formulated for providing long-lasting repairs in almost an instant. It takes anywhere between 10 to 45 seconds to dry. This glue is capable of absorbing impacts and drops. It dries clear, which makes it perfect for use for your Lego structure. Super glue works on a variety of materials including metal, stone, fabric, plastic, rubber, ceramic, paper, and more. Number 2. Super Glue 15187. This super glue tube in this pack of 12 comprises 2G of adhesive that forms the strongest bonds in tight joints between smooth surfaces and clean breaks. It comes packaged in a handy and reusable container. The glue gives the best results with non-porous surfaces, and hence would make the best choice for securing your Lego structure. This glue bonds instantly and sets in seconds. This original formula of super glue can be used on most plastics, aluminum, metal, wood, ceramics, pottery, and more. Number 3. Loctite Ultra Gel Control Super Glue. This specially formulated super glue is not just perfect for fixing breaks in your office and home, but will also make a great choice for securing your Lego structure. This instant adhesive is rubber toughened and can exceptionally resist temperature extremes, vibration, shock, and impact. So, you won't have to fret if your little one toppled your Lego Falcon when you have used Loctite Ultra Gel to keep it intact. This glue is perfect if you keep moving around your Lego art structures for exhibitions. Number 4. Krazy Glue KG94548R Glue. This glue promises excellent coverage regardless of whether you are using it on a big or small surface. The brush applicator makes it easier to control the glue during application. The brush-on applicator provides wide surface coverage. You can also glue hard-to-reach areas with it. The no-clog bottle ensures that you can dispense the glue quite easily. The brush remains fresh and the bristles stay loose despite repeated use. This super strong glue dries quickly and is suitable for use on your Lego structure. Number 5. Rhino Glue Pro Kit. This is the only glue you would ever need while looking for an instant adhesive. It can bond virtually everything regardless of the surfaces being the same or dissimilar. It is perfect for bonding vinyl, plastics, wood, canvas, fabrics, glass, metal, ceramics, rubber, and more. You don't have to worry about failed bonds or dry outs anymore. This triple distilled adhesive works well on all materials where other glues fail. This formula is perfect for impacts, vibrations, heat, moisture, and shock. The thicker gel will not dry out or clog. Number 6. Elmers E7310 Carpenter's Wood Glue Max. Without this type of glue, the carpentry job won't be complete. While the brand is different but the materials of the glue are the same. Elmers E7310 Carpenter's Wood Glue Max is the best wood glue for broken chair leg, the best glue for chair leg repair, and also the best wood glue for table legs. It bonds stronger than wood and able to hold the joint for a long time or until it broke. So, if you want to start a Lego project for your child. Number 7. Gorilla 6301502 Spray Adhesive. Gorilla Heavy Duty Spray Adhesive is the best spray glue for Legos and other projects. It is multi-purpose and repositionable. Suppose you want to decor your indoor room wall with decorative paper. So, if you use any other types of super glue gel, then you need more time to decorate. On the other hand, if you use this type of spray adhesive, then you can do the job quickly. It is an aerosol can and it contains 14 fluid ounces. This glue compatible with wood, glass, foam, paper, fabric, metal, leather, plastic materials. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.